Okay guys, after you already know me and you know my project, let's introduce using Redis as a cache manager. I just added a simple script to run Redis in my dev environment. And in my backend, I added a cache service that will use Redis URL. So you see the difference is that one service needs Redis URL and Redis itself only needs the Redis port. So how we figure out how to create them from the same environment and to support both services. I will go to my monorepo CFGU file and I will need my needed keys, add Redis port. Let me set a default value 6379. Let me also add a Redis host. My default value will be localhost because I'm running localhost. Great. Now my backend will need a Redis URL, and for my backend, I want a calculated value that will be calculated from the port and the host name. So I can use const. I will start with the Redis protocol, and then I will use this template engine $sign value, and this is basically localhost for my environment. And I will add the port, which is $sign Redis port, and let's see how it works. I will run Configu eval on my store Configu. The set is development, my schema is repo, and instead of running the application, I just want to show you the environment. So I will just choose to format.env just to view the result. So we have the API port, the app port, and now we have Redis port, we have Redis host, and we have the Redis URL. Great. So now when I will run my application, Redis itself will get a Redis port, and my API will choose to use Redis URL. So Redis is connected. Let's just try to change the values. For example, using another port like 6666. Which is great. Just print this one. Let's just show you the Redis. And let's just rerun the format so you see the result. Okay, Redis port will get 6666 and Redis URL will be on localhost. We run the application and we can see that Redis is connected using another port right now, which is great. In production, we can probably use another set that will use the production URL of Redis, which will probably be different if you're using Kubernetes or if you're using another managed solution. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining me to this video. See you in my next video.